Today, I'd like to talk to you about our newest offering, Rimini Custom. This is a great example of an exciting opportunity that Rimini Street can offer third-party maintenance for any complex application that we're not supporting today. There's 3 individual use cases that I want you to think about that make sense to bring to us. The first one is upgrade cost avoidance. Now, a great example of this is what recently happened with Broadcom. I think most of you already know the story if you're running VMware. Broadcom bought VMware and now they want to move it to a subscription. That subscription, it could be anywhere from 3 to 10 times more, all right, than your support costs that you're paying today. So we have many Rimini Custom VMware clients that are coming to Rimini Street for support because we can offer them stability and the ability to continue to run their applications as is without having to do that upgrade for the next 3 years while they figure out if there's some other destination that they want to go. Another great opportunity that people are bringing us from a business case perspective is what we call gap support. Now let me explain to you exactly what that is. Gap support is I'm running this mission critical application for my company that I can't really live without. But I've decided that I'm going to re-implement it on some other product, but it's going to take me 3 to 5 years to actually make that transition. And the question that you have to ask yourself as the user of that software, is it really worth paying a premium to the support vendor over the next 3 to 5 years to stay supported? When it maybe makes more sense to bring it to someone like Rimini Street and let us support it. We can run your software, maintain your software, and we can optimize it, even with managed services. And the great thing about the managed services, when you bring that under the Rimini Custom umbrella, support plus managed services, is that you can free up your resources to concentrate on that transition and moving to the next product. Now, the last one is another business case that we often see, and that is that the vendor has told you that they're going to de-support the platform. It's their intention to make you migrate to some other product, but you can't do without that product today. There's nothing like it in the industry. It's highly customized, and you really know you have to keep using it, and you really have 2 choices. The first choice is to self-support that application, or try and find a vendor that can help you support it. Well, self-support's not that great of an idea, and I'll tell you why. The reason is risk, all right? At Rimini Street, we've developed a methodology that we bring to every third-party support application where we have security advisory. We are experts at interoperability. We're experts on maintaining an aging technology stack and making sure that you can run that for the next 3 to 5 to 15 years if you had to. All right, we have all of that expertise. And then we have people that actually do performance tuning and make sure that your application runs optimally and continues to perform. Those are things that you have to do above and beyond just having experts to learn your application and to run it. So it really does make sense. And I'll just say overall, from a Rimini Custom perspective, to bring your applications that are mission critical and really large and complex, bring those to Rimini Custom. Let us evaluate whether they make sense for us to support them versus you going to the expense of having to support them yourselves or with an existing vendor or doing an unnecessary upgrade. Thank you.